I hit rock bottom many fucking times in my life, but I always come back stronger than fucking ever before. So if you struggle right now, you feel like your life is about to end, you maybe lost your business, your wife will fucking disappear, your friends betray you. Trust me, everything what happened to you happening for a reason, and when you find God, you will understand why you had to go through all this, because this is not punishment, it was a fucking preparation to reach your full potential, you know? So don't give up.